In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs with CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. ElevenLabs and CapCut work very well together for creating professional AI voiceovers. The basic workflow is to generate your narration inside of ElevenLabs. Then you want to download or export the audio. Then go ahead and come on over to CapCut and import it into CapCut and sync it with your video. ElevenLabs also provides direct export options from its mobile app to apps like CapCut, but I'm going to be using the web version for this. So the first thing we need to do is come over to ElevenLabs and sign into your account. You can use ElevenLabs for free, but you will only be limited to 10,000 credits. So I've used a little bit of my credits here. You can see I've got over 6,500 credits remaining. Now from here, we want to come over and then use the text to speech for this demo. So inside of here, go ahead and start typing here or paste any text you want to turn into a lifelike speech. So here's the text I want turned into speech for my short video inside of CapCut. Now to the right, we've got some settings here. We can change the model, the speed, the stability, the similarity, and all that stuff, and the output format. I'm not going to go too deep in that. I'm going to change my voice though from this guy. So I'm going to come over to explore, and we got all these different filters we can use. We can filter by gender, age, category, languages, but I'm just going to make this a bit quicker. So I'm just going to use this Atom one, and you can preview the voice by clicking on, if I come back to the voice here, you can preview it by going to click play preview, and you can see what they sound like.
Your anger against every form of insult and oppression.
So yeah, that's the type of voice I'm looking for. Now, once I've selected the voice, I've got the text to speech here. I'm going to click on generate speech. So you give that a few minutes to create. The longer your speech, the longer the generate will take, but it doesn't take too long in my experience. Then from there, you want to click on download the latest. So that's going to download that text to speech, and you can see it here. Now from here, we want to go over and open up CapCut. I'm using the web version here. Now I'm going to click on create new, and I want this to be a YouTube or Facebook video. So this is 16:9. Now I'm going to upload my video. So I'm going to click on upload, the plus icon, go to my downloads, and then I've got this video here. So now this is going to go ahead and import from my PC. And you can see the progress on the left hand side. Now if I press play, you can see this is the video. Now I want to go ahead and add that exported voice file from ElevenLabs. Now to do this, I want to come up to the top left hand corner and click on upload, and click on upload file. And now it should be here, ElevenLabs. I can give that a different name. So here's the audio here. So I want to go ahead and drag that into my timeline. And if I want the video to match the duration of the voice, I'm going to go ahead and use that little slider to come left to right. Now, if I go ahead and press play, you're going to hear that voiceover over this video.
Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves, warm ocean breezes, and endless blue.
Okay, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on export and export that video with the voiceover. Then you can go ahead and upload it to Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever social media platform you're using.